Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Driver Booster. So for downloading this, press on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. And in the Microsoft Store, search here Driver Booster. So here you can see Driver Booster free is showing. Now click on install. So here you can see it is downloading. So this will take a few seconds according to your internet speed. So by using this driver booster, you can update all your drivers. If any pop-up shows, click on yes while you are installing the driver booster. So here you can see it is installing. So here you can see it is installed. Now click on open. So this will take a few seconds to launch. So here you can see it is launched, and by clicking on scan, you can scan the drivers on your computer and can update those. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.